In this series, we're going to be building a language chooser with Laravel. We'll go ahead and take a look at how this works first, then we'll install Laravel and we'll actually build this. So you can see I've got a drop down here with two choices of language. I've also got a button to go ahead and submit this, and you can see I've got the text hello down here. Now when I go ahead and change to German and click choose, that goes ahead and sets a session which will store the fact that we want to use German for our languages, and therefore will pick up from our German language file. So we'll be looking at localization in Laravel and also the functionality to build this form to actually allow us to do this. Now this doesn't require a user setting, so it's perfect for if you're using non-authentication on your website, and if the user leaves the website and comes back, this will just go ahead and reset back. You can of course store this as a cookie if you wanted to. In this case I'll just be working with sessions. So let's go ahead and install Laravel quickly using Composer, and then we'll go ahead and in the next part look at how we start setting this up. So I have an empty directory here called Language Chooser. I've also got my terminal open, and I'm going to go ahead and install Composer using curl. If you're using Windows or another operating system, this may vary if you don't have curl available, but go ahead over to getcomposer.org and you'll be able to find installation instructions for you. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and once it's done, we can go ahead and use Composer to install Laravel. So I'm going to say php composer.phar and then say create project Laravel/Laravel, and I want to prefer the distribution. So Laravel's now installed. Let's just go ahead and check that everything's worked. So if we head over to our browser, you can see I've got Laravel directory here. If I go over to the public directory, you can see that Laravel's been successfully installed.